This is our what is called the blessing box, and what we do is place food in this cabinet, and people just pass by the road and can stop. All those who are in need of food, we put non-perishable items in here, and they can take it freely. So in the act of using this big box, or opening this door, opening and closing the door, I just noticed that the screws are pulling apart. So, and they're not holding. So what I may have to do is use something that is a little longer and see if that is it will hold it. Problem is that it might project through, but it didn't. That's good. So I'll just use some longer screws and put them in these to hold this. So, constant repairs, folks. If you have a house or organization, it's constant repair. And of course, Shippy the Explorer is here to lend a helping hand. Could use my just a matter of taking out the those there you go. These screws can be used for another location, so I'll just keep them in my repair kit. They were too short in the first place. Take out this one. Put in a longer one. There you go. So that will hold this for a little longer. He seems to be all right. Good. So that's what it is, folks. Constant repair. So blessing box is now back to normal. You can even see they have books for kids. This one. Hi! Still working at it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna go over that again.
Yeah, okay. With this.
That
Okay, I was wondering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything else.
I was wondering if the technique, yeah.
Yeah.
So you let it settle like, and then you let it settle and then you go another coat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just this one. Rest of them we all.
Okay.
We can't use this one. It's not big enough.
Right.
This one we use it.
Right. So what is this? This tilts the water this way, or
We follow the grade you got.
okay?
Can't change the grade.
Can't change the grade. Yeah.
We have to dig it out to do that.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. There's a spring head somewhere along here. That's what one of the problems we have.
Sprinkler?
Spring head.
You mean like the
A
water?
river. Yeah, it's somewhere. It starts somewhere in here.
That should be moved. It's easy to do if you can find it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they can move it back a little bit.
Oh.
It shouldn't be near the edge of the road.
Oh.
You know, it's easy to do. You get the sprinkler guys out here.
Not a sprinkler, like a river head, like a stream.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Spring.
Yeah, spring.
They can't move that.
Yeah, yeah. That's natural.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you meant a sprinkler.
No. It comes up and then it comes down here and then it joins
Yeah.
that mess there.
Not much you can do about that.
No.
We did a job over at Indian Springs Golf Club one time.
Uh-huh.
You've probably heard of it if you haven't been over there. And that's why they call it Indian Spring. It's all everywhere you look is a spring.
Okay.
We're doing asphalt. All of a sudden the water starts shooting up out of it. So what can we do? The only thing we can do is let it shoot.
Yeah.
Couldn't stop it.
Wow.
It's still shooting out as far as I know.
Yeah.
We rolled around and every now and then it's squirted a shot.
Wow.
What could you do with it?
Wow.
You could dig forever, you never get
You'll never stop it. So you're the original owner?
Yeah.
You started this
Yeah.
maybe
A long time ago.
1940s?
In 1960.
Oh, 1960. Wow.
Actually, I was doing it before that, but I got it myself now.
Did you work with FOD?
Never worked with them. I get a lot of material from them.
Get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Because
They're
I
a big
used.
company there, but
Oh yeah.
They just bought, I think, a couple thousand brand new big trucks.
Wow.
I mean,
They're that big?
Oh, they're real big.
Wow.
They got 4 big plants. I mean, big time.
Wow. I worked with them. I did work for us over in Bethesda when I used to be in the field. I used to be in construction.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you work with them?
I used to work with Snyder up in Bethesda. In Snyder Construction and about 30 years ago, 40 years ago, yeah. Yeah.
You've been around too.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is in my hands, it's all damaged. It worked out. Yeah. But I was residential homes. That's what I did. Yeah. So I'm hoping to maybe bring, if my wife can put the money together, maybe do our driveway. Peter was saying that he thinks I'm on a slope, maybe about 50 feet long, and he was saying maybe asphalt is the best. As I was trying to do concrete, but I'm not sure.
A lot more money.
Yeah.
Concrete, like 3 times the price of this.
Yeah.
And if you think about it, all the roads, you know, like the Beltway and
Yeah.
they were all concrete. Now they're all asphalt.
Oh,
All over.
they were using concrete in the old days?
Well, they still do a lot of things.
Yeah.
But it's just so expensive. And asphalt, if you lay 2 inches of concrete down,
Yeah.
you drove a car across, it'd break up, wouldn't it?
Yes.
2 inches of asphalt, it wouldn't hurt.
Oh.
Way better, way better. But now for floor, footings, and building, no, you know, nothing
Yeah.
like it.
Right.
And it's good for roads if you do it right for a long time, and then rock salt eats it up.
Yeah. So that's what's called, because I noticed the American roads seem to have these bumps. What's causing that?
That's a I can't think of the name. Anyway, they got them in there to keep it from breaking.
Oh,
Concrete moves a little bit.
yeah.
Suspension joints.
Expansion joints.
Yeah.
In the asphalt?
No, I don't do it in asphalt. No.
But on the asphalt on the highway, even on the beltway, it's bumpy,
Because
bumpy.
the concrete moved and made a crack. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Absolutely.
That's great. Well, thanks for doing this for you.
Yeah.
I may tell you that you are the only one who answered the call. Nobody else
No.
called
I'm
us.
the only one that answers.
Yeah.
Most of them, everybody's so busy.
Oh,
Everybody's
okay.
busy.
Yeah.
Plus, they don't want to do small jobs. They don't
Okay.
patch in. Nobody wants to fool with it.
But it leads to, you may never know. You may
You never know.
pick up 10 customers here.
Never
You know. Never know.
Keep up here.
Good. Good.
We get done here, we won't be here too much longer.
Yes.
I hope it don't rain.
Right.
I thought we don't get it there.
Yeah. Okay.
Get him up here.
All right. So let me see how this. I'm gonna see how this operates.
That's a little camera.
Yes. And it's the whole set. I'm shipping the Explorer, and because I travel a lot, my wife say, okay, we should start to document our travels. And the whole set maybe about $1,200. Yeah.
Nice
Yeah.
looking rig, it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you keep busy, huh?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Right.
We're so busy we can't get to it. You know?
Right.
Never know, things can change.
Right.
Weather changes a lot. Well, I got to pull around front.
All right. Good, good. That's the Mr. Allison, the owner. So it was good to talk to him. Actually, what they're going for is water, and he has to refill the water tank. Wow. So it stays hot all day?
Huh?
It stays hot all day?
I don't know. I don't know what is that. A little English, not too much.
Oh, it says it's calor todo dia?
Calor. No, no, no. 3 horas. 3 horas.
Yeah.
3 horas.
And entonces you tengo remain. You throw it away, basura.
Oh, you say de la calle?
Yeah,
No, one day.
one day.
One day.
Yeah,
You wait 1 day.
right. Okay. You're learning English.
Yeah,
Yeah. One-man operation, folks. Wow. So it spreads it and levels it off at the same time. And so it's adjusting the grade. This machine gives it a definite height. You can make it 2 inches, make it 3 inches. All depends on how thick you want the material to be. You may wonder what's the fuel for this thing. The fuel is just a paraffin tank, gas, methane tank that supplies to allow this big machine to operate. area to allow the machine to, it's telling the machine to expand the path. This is Shippy the Explorer coming in, folks, reminding you that you're watching the paving, the repairing of asphalt parking lot and driving area, and see, you know, it's done. It's not too different from in a big operation, but this is what's being done. So go. This has been a long take, but sure you have learned from this bit of operation, and hopefully it has been entertaining and interesting. So we never fail to bring you new footage of other equipment, folks. So this is how it's done, and the operation is winding up, and it's not much more we can see. It's a repetition of the process. So that's it, folks. So thanks for watching. This is Shippy the Explorer. If you do like, share and subscribe when you can. And thanks for all the thanks folks for being with us today. Bye for now. So I capture recordor. Todo. Wow. Is loading up. Work is over and they're loading up their machines. So they have these big trailers that they're able to pull tons and tons of equipment. Almost 4 o'clock, folks, and so the work has taken from 9 o'clock this morning until 4 o'clock now. So they're wrapping up now. So, this is a much better usage of wasted material. So actually it's not wasted. It's use it to build this platform. So he's doing a good job in cleaning up. And the rain is on top of us. Good. So they're wrapping up now, they're cleaning up. And I think this was a good job. Fitting closer to the day. Alright, thanks. Alright, good. Oh, gracias. Alright, hasta luego. Good. Alright. Thanks, thank you. Yes, that's better than throwing it in the bushes. I'll tell you. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, well, okay. Is on top of us, folks. So I have to pull out my umbrella. See, umbrella. So that's the end of the project. It's the end of a project, and as I leave under the umbrella, I say that has been a great day, and look forward to the next project. So thanks for being with us, folks, and always like, share, and subscribe. So, all right, thanks. All right, bud, thank you. All right. Repite.
Chicos, que saluda ahí la familia. Antojito Heidi. Saludos a toda la raza.
Okay.
La cámara.
YouTube.
Cámara.
And you can subscribe.
Yeah.
Subscribe when you.
Saludos a la familia. Ajá.
Yeah.
Ahí toma la foto. No, no.
This way.
Saludos, dice, saludos ahí.
And if you subscribe,
Un saludo ahí para
sí.
el pueblo salvadoreño y para los hermanos vecinos de Honduras. Saludos.
Salud. All right. Gracias. See.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, see you.
Good. Woo. No, it's just from around the drain in the around the. It's just a perforated pipe. No problem. Yeah. So you can fill it right up to yeah, right here. So I can drive in with the tractor.
You want to take them out?
No.
No.
Well, you can fill it up to that
Oh,
level.
you fill the asphalt up to there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And I can drive in the tractor. Yeah.
Aquí vamos a poder ver.
Okay. full scale work for me. Oh boy. Full driveway. What they're trying to do is trying to just use the excess material to just fill this, instead of just throwing it in the trash. We're using it to build a ramp to the shed. Yeah, this way. Yeah, this way, yeah. So we're building a ramp for us with the excess material. So this is ship to the Explorer. We seem like we cannot finish this work today, but we are at the close now. So that's what you do if you have excess material. Then sometimes they just dump it concrete or asphalt, but Ship the Explorer is making good use of that material right now. So they appreciate it and I appreciate it. So it won't be wasted. Entonces, the rest of it out. Yeah. Repeat it. Lava.
Bajada, bajada, con bajada. Con bajada.
Con bajada.
Con bajada.
Con bajada. Okay. Remove the wood. Remove. Yeah. Yeah, try it, no problem. Basura. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I drive carro this way. Yeah. Not now, but I normally bring it over. So I drive in like this. Yeah.